So we are setting up for the video now for a school project, and we're about to start filming. So yeah, see you then.
We'll blow in the chamber. Boom! Hello, Macomb County. This is your news reporter, Rick James, and I have some weather information for you.
You're holding a gun.
You didn't see that?
Oh, you motherfucker!
Oh no! I'm just getting sick. Don't hurt me. Okay, you ready?
Show off them sexy looks. Big old dick sucking lips.
Dude, yeah. You ready, Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Macomb County. I'm Rick James with the news. We're going to start off with weather first. Today, the weather is about 70 degrees. That's the high. The low is around 70. Now we're going to cut to Rob Robinson.
Boy!
What?
You forgot the sports? The dog?
I said the sports!
Yeah, you said you cut to us for sport.
You kept pausing!
Alright,
I don't understand. I can't freaking do it. I have to wing all this on my head.
Hang on, wait, I got tired, dude.
Alright, now you're gonna be like, well, some locals have reported Marty Atkinson's house burning. Here's
It's just a cooter!
Wait, Brandon, you need to get in the shot too, like, you just stand next, there you go, that's good. There you go.
so funny.
Just the way you were walking.
Fuck, man, I'm so fucking pissed. Okay, hello, folks. I'm here today at... What the fuck is wrong with you? Calm down. Hello, everybody. I'm here today outside of Miss Monty's burnt down house with Miss Monty. Miss Monty, can you give us some insight?
Well, you know, I'm a very religious woman, so I just figured it was the fiery wrath of Satan.
Now, Miss Monty, I understand you're a very Christian woman, so but you do think it's the fiery wrath of Satan, then?
Yeah, the fiery wrath of Satan definitely.
It's
came
proven.
in here, torched the whole place.
It's proven it was Satan.
Cut.
Miss Monty, what are you doing? It was you that started the fire.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You said it was Satan when it was actually you. You're
It
trying to
wasn't,
get
I
your
swear.
insurance money, you insurance fraud.
It's not
It's gonna blow, camera crew. Let's get out of here. My leg! It's broken!
He's got the
Let's get high off this shit. Oh, I need my crutch. Oh, I turned into an old man.
How do you feel about the whole video, starting with you, Brandon?
It was a long, hard process. It's after all.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, let's just go straight to no.
Me, well, the process was actually a lot of fun. And it was
Okay,
enjoyable.
Zeke.
These are all fucking cunts.
1, 2, 3. Adventure! Now, I'm here with Tom Robinson. Isn't that right, Tom? Okay, hey, we don't go into Tom's home without permission. Now, I've heard from an exclusive source that Atticus Finch is going to be defending him in court. I don't know if this is true. This is just what I've heard. Now, Tom, can you allude to this? Thank you, Tom. Hey. Tom's in there. Leave him alone. Now,
Sir, we believe that's the home of Mr. Yule.
Miss Marty, you need to get on out of here.
You know what?
I heard
I should
what
be
you
dead
did.
right now, shouldn't
I
I?
heard what you did, Miss Marty, you insurance fraud whore. Get on out of here. Okay, well, that's what I've heard. Rick James, and that's the news. Get out of here!